Oh, it's a cold one today. Oh, excellent. The recumbent just went by there. Never catch up with that. I'll go this way. I see that guy out quite a lot. But I need to watch for ice. There he's there. I'm going to attempt to go to Falkirk. And I'll do it all off-road. Well, I'm on a road now, so I can't. Go this way because I'll miss the lights. Ice. Okay. I'm chasing that guy for the sake of it. Yes. What a morning. What a morning. Well, I could stand here and look at the sun all day, but I'd end up going blind. Need to watch myself on this. Somebody's got a diesel heater on. So I'm going to head north on the canal to Stockingfield Junction and then east via Partick Thistles, ground in there, for Hull for frills. Excuse me. Sorry guys. Thanks. I'm not too sure about using this horn, so I don't know how loud it is. Just for context, I got this. It's a light and a horn for my Secret Santa, and it makes all sorts of noises. That's actually quite funny. I don't know how much you can hear that in front. Thanks. There it is. So I'm going to head up to Stockingfield Bridge, go across that, taking a heading east, and then it's straight on the canal towards Kirkintilloch. Windy. This is quite smooth, but the last time I was on this it gets pretty bumpy a wee bit further along. This is great. I love winter days like this. Excuse me? Thanks guys, thank you. Didn't know that was there. The times I've come along here, never seen that railway line. Hey. Thanks. So beautiful, but every time I stop to hang about to film or anything, my fingers get colder, so I just need to keep moving. So I think I'll do a speeded up video as I head along towards Kirkintilloch. This is like a quieter stretch, and cold. Forever saying I'm cold on the videos, so I can actually kind of relax a bit. There's many people on the path. You watch it for ice though. So I've been through Kirk. That was I don't know, my camera keeps running out of battery and powering off. It's got 75%. I think it's cold, and GoPros don't mix. But I'm now on this peaceful bit of the cycle path, and this will take me, I'm heading towards Glasgow just now from Kirk. Wasn't too sure what to do when I got there. I was kind of thinking about turning around and going back. I know when I get to Falkirk I'm getting the train back. That's a given. But it's just how much of this journey I can actually film. My cameras keep cutting out, the batteries going flat because of the cold. But I'll just keep going, see how much of this I can film, because it's a nice day. Wait till this car passes by before talking. Then I'll come up to a family. There, I'm not checking the ice. I'll take it easy. Thank you very much. Cyclists. I did say I was heading towards Glasgow, but I'll go through Tweaker first. Well, I don't think I'm going to be getting there in the 2.5 hours that Google Maps says it takes to cycle there. As long as I'm not totally freezing. I've got heat warmers, and I've got thermal socks on, and then the overshoes, the stupid looking overshoes. I've also got, which I've just opened up recently, heat warmers inside my gloves, but my fingers on there is cold. I think if I start filming with the drone and stuff, then it gets a bit cold. Cold in the shade. It's chilly. That's me at Kilsyth. Well, Kilsyth's down that way, but it's a really interesting quarry there. They've recently, just in the summer there, built a big swing park next to it as well. But I've not got time to stop. I'm going to crack on. It's really nice in there. I'm glad they've done something else with the area. It's all straight, but it just looks amazing. Worth doing it in the winter just for this sort of experience. There we go, 6.25 miles to Falkirk. Take me any time. Kelvin Head, Tonic Tours. Bonnie Bridge, so not far away from Falkirk, just a wee bit to go. Rabbit or a hare up there in that field. We're getting closer to Falkirk, nearly there. Looking forward to getting a train back actually, a warm train. The ice. That's me finally made it to the Falkirk Vale, and I think I'm going to stop for a second and then head for the train straight away because I'm dying to get home. Let's go to Glasgow, please.